Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Tasco Sarmiento, the Group 40, Technology Evaluation and Negotiation, step for Understand It Negotiation. Problem to negotiation with technological products. Problem related to the protection of intellectual property to patent by company when there are no license and patent technology is used. Problem related to ball technology do not specify the scope of the technological package and technical assistance if the license is composed of only some stone. Problem related to negotiation. Amount of royalties is most defined if they are calculated on gross sales or rep sales. Technology transfer. Technology transfer is both a modality in which the partner within the technology and the other ensure of market during the technology transfer period. In the framework of this type of agreement, the supplement for the market can be guaranteed by the facilities of the partner while increasing productive capacity and productive standard. Abound of the select business model its value should be calculated by the technological factor method. This factor consisting in applying to the coordinates word CNW adjusts to the deduction cash flow risk that it generates by that technology and amount calculated according to the weighting of the attributes of that technology. The payments are negotiated according the technological goals of a milestone determined by the stage of the transfer, as for example, the delivery of technological packages, the production of the loss, etc. Recommendation number one, when developing a product, we must patent it and respect copyright. Second, technology is constantly evolving, so it must be at the forefront. Three, be very careful with the contract sickness before developing biotechnological products when disbursing the previous monies. Thank you very much.